My name is Matt. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the jewelry box that we're making right here. And I need your help. If you like the video, I'd like you to hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. But please leave me a comment. I'm trying to improve this channel. Let me know what I can do better. Anyways, let's get into it. On the last video, I did some resawing, some hand planing, and some rabbiting to get myself a basic box shape. In this video, we're going to start out with some basic wood hinges. I drilled the holes big and all the way through as straight as possible. Later, I cut some brass rods to fit in as the hinge mechanism. Need to cut up a few little pieces of this walnut and make it into these handles, and also some squares into these feet. Here's the legs. I cut up some more brass, polished it up, drilled it into some walnut so I can hang necklaces on the back of the doors. I was able to fix this dovetail and a couple other minor issues. I got a boo-boo. I took a chisel and tried to clean up some of the glue that dripped down the sides. In hindsight, I probably should have wiped this with a wet rag, but I didn't. I pulled out the brass rod again, drilled some holes in what will become the handles, just to kind of reinforce it, make a better mechanical bond. I also used wood glue in addition to the super glue and clamped this down, so hopefully it holds pretty good. Now it's time to tell you about today's sponsor. Ha! Beep that! Walnut sure does look good with a little bit of polyurethane on it. I ended up putting 3 coats of polyurethane, sanding in between each coat. I've been working on this longer than I care to admit. I gotta put some suede, some leather right here. Kind of fiddle around with this drawer, and then I'm done. The leather secured pretty easily with some spray adhesive. I trimmed it to fit when I was done because I cut it a little large. And here's some beauty shots. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you learned something from it. I know I personally learned a lot from this. I've never built a jewelry box, let alone a jewelry box that's pretty much all hand tools. So I enjoyed it. Hopefully you did too. If you have any advice on what I can do to improve my future videos, please, I would like the input. I appreciate good comments, and just leave them down in the comment section. And hopefully you like it, and hopefully I can get you to subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching my video.